Hello, I am Ariowit and today I will show you simply method how to change your email in Brawl Stars. So you leave also like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. So first we click in this three sticks. Next we click in the settings, this, and next we click in the help and support. Next we click in the account. Now down and click on the contact us, and now message us, and you doing step by step, and I will show you how it will be look. I will show you screenshot how it's looking. So you must write, but also you need on the start name of the account, name of the club if you have, if you not in any club, you just write no club when they ask for the other details. XP level, experience and player tag. It you need. It's information. Okay, and also not off the screen during talking with the person from Supercell ID. Be patient. And now you write what you have here. Supercell ID. You choice. Następnie you choice opt out of Supercell ID. Okay, they write we are set, and next option below disconnect this account. And next I want to change my Supercell ID email. May you help me, thanks. So next agent, and he needs the name of the account, this information, name of the club, experience level and player tag. And now you add hours, date account, like name account, XP level, name of club and tag player. I think. Okay, next. Do you wish to change the mail of your account? Yes. Yes, and next step. Why you want to change your Supercell ID? Okay, so don't give a damn prison please. I used my mom's work email and she wants me to use a home email. For example, like this. Any logical reasons? Okay, now they need new email and you add email twice to repeat, and you use new email. And he thanks and he change, and they changed email. Now you must later open your game settings, tap on connect under Supercell ID, select login, type in your email address, insert the 6-digit numeric code that you will receive on your email. And that's all. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others. I have hope that I help you. And bye bye. See you in other videos. If you have answer, if you have question to me, I may answer you also. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.